Now that we've gone through some effective prompting techniques, let's take a look at a few areas where generative AI truly excels. As you can see in this diagram, generative AI applications shine in several key areas. First, generating content. This includes text generation, where AI can help us craft articles, write code, or even generate creative stories. It also covers image creation and video production, allowing AI to assist in designing visuals and producing multimedia content that's both innovative and impactful. Next, question and answering. This is where we see applications like chatbots, virtual assistants, and advanced search engines. These tools utilize AI to provide quick, accurate, and contextually relevant answers to our queries, making information more accessible and interactions more seamless. Lastly, document summarization and investigation. AI is incredibly effective in summarizing lengthy documents, investigating reports for critical insights, and extracting key information. This is particularly useful in fields like journalism, legal analysis, and research, where sifting through large volumes of text is both time-consuming and complex. In all these areas, the tips we've discussed, like asking clear questions, rephrasing, and iterative prompting, can be applied to get the most out of these AI capabilities. Whether you're generating content, asking questions, or summarizing documents, the way you interact with AI will significantly impact the quality and relevance of the results you get.